Are you running ads but not getting any sales? Don't worry, I'm going to share a strategy which is used by agencies and reveal one secret trick at the end of this video. So must watch the entire video and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Now guys, we will create a strategy. First of all, I'm going to create a campaign. This is my dummy ad account, ad manager. Simply go to your ad manager and click on create button. Then here you will see multiple objectives, but always select sales objective. Now click on continue. Now here two options. Choose the manual sales campaign and click on continue. Now we have one campaign, one ad set and one ad. At campaign level, now we are at campaign level. First of all, enter the right name for your campaign. Like I want to sell watches, then I will enter watches sales campaign. And enter date, like it's um 1 April. Okay, right, you can enter any name. Now scroll down, turn off this use a catalog option, then scroll down and there is the option add campaign budget. Turn on this option and again scroll down. Now enter your budget. Note this will be your entire campaign budget. Like I want to spend $30. Never spend more than $30 while testing your products, while testing your ad creatives. $30 per campaign per day is enough for testing. Now scroll down and click on next button. Now we are at the ad set level. You can enter any name here. Now scroll down, select web conversion. Now again scroll down. In the performance goal, always select maximize number of conversion. Now here select your pixel, always select the pixel. Then most important thing is conversion. Then select event, always select purchase event, never select add to cart or any other thing. You will see these options, you will see this message. Ignore this message. This is due to the no data. Your ad account will be new, like this my ad manager is new, that's why pixel have no data, it is showing this message. Scroll down, scroll down. Here you can select your starting date and also select end date if you want, otherwise leave it as it is. Then select your location, but in my opinion always select your location, then click on only include cities. Now scroll down. uh, for this, leave this add audience as it is. We will add the audience later after designing, after creating the ad strategy. Now click on next. Now select your page here. After selecting the page and Instagram, scroll down, scroll down and select on single image or video. Always, I will recommend you to use single image and carousels. Sometimes video also perform best, but in my case, carousel ads and single image ads perform well. Now this is the most important. Click on add preview. Now I add a dummy image to show you. So I select single image and then this is the headline. Headline will show here and primary text will show on the upper side of the image. Like this. Like create your ads with proper primary text and headline. So now make sure your tracking system will on and it should be green. So this is showing your meta pixel is not active. I'm not using this. Now move forward toward the strategy. I rename this and I also rename the ad set. Now click. You will see in front of ad set there is three dot. Click there and click on duplicate. Now we have one campaign, one ad set, and there should be minimum three ads under one ad set. So I'm going to create two more ads. This will be ad 2 and this will be ad 3. Use the different images and different videos in them. Now click on three dot in front of ad set and duplicate it four times. Sorry, three times. Now we have total four ad set. One campaign, four ad set, and every ad set have three ads. I rename them. Okay, now we have four ad set. Now just click on ad set and scroll down and click on switch to original audience option. Click on use original audience. Again scroll down and select the age according to your product. I mostly select 22 starting age and 53, 22 to 53, gender all, and add only one interest in each ad set. Like I want to, for example, I want to sell watches, then I will search first of all watches and add only single interest in one ad set like this. Now move to another ad set. I will do same process or select different ad interest. Will select different audience interest. Scroll down and page 22, 53. Then in first ad set I select watches. Now I will see smartwatches. Click here and leave it as it is. Now scroll down and select third ad set and do same process for all these ad set. All these ad sets have different interests. 53, and I will again search watches. Now I will target the different brands like there is Rolex. I will select this and scroll down, and in last ad set I will do same process. Now I will select something different like like sneaker shops or something like t-shirt or so after doing this, now let me explain again. This is our campaign has 4 ad sets and every ad set have 3 ads. Now simply click on publish and publish this campaign. I'm not going to publish this because I'm not creating a campaign. I'm just teaching you. All the agencies and digital marketers, advertisers follow this strategy and generate the sales. Now we have one campaign, 4 ad sets, and every ad set have 3 ads like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every ad set have 4 ads. So I will publish this campaign after running this campaign for 3 days. I will analyze how we analyze the performance of campaign and move toward the next step. Go to ad sets, then there you will see the best performing ad set. Like this is the most important column, uh, ROAS, which is the return on ad spend. We will see the maximum return on ad spend ad set and also figure out the maximum results and cost per results. These are the most important columns and factors in ad sets. So after analyzing these three columns, my next step will be to turn off the, like for example, this ad set is not performing well, I will close this. And if this one is not performing, I will also close this. Now we have two ad sets which are performing well. So on third day, what I will do with two ad sets, I will keep running this for at least 5 days. After 5 days, I will increase the budget of these ads. How I will increase the budget of these ads? I will simply go to the campaign. Then there is the daily budget. I will simply keep it 40. Then after 2 days, I will increase the $10. Then again increase the $10, and I will scale this campaign after analyzing the results. So now we have the remaining part of ads. So we have one campaign and four ad set, and every ad set have four ads. So what I will do, I will do the same procedure which I did with the ad sets. I will turn off those ads which are not performing well. Like the first three ads are not performing well, I will uh, check here ROAS and the results and cost per results, and then I will turn off these ads and continue running those ads which are performing well. So this is the whole strategy which I follow to generate sales, and also all the agencies, all the digital marketer follow these same strategies. If uh, sometimes your product not perform well, so simply change your product. If you follow this strategy and you got zero sales, then the only last option is to change the product and get a new product and try that one. So I think you enjoyed this lesson, and you have learned something different. This was the whole strategy. If you have any question, if you have any query, you can place in the comment section, or you are looking to hire anyone who will manage your ad campaigns and help you to generate sales, then I'm 100% sure I will be the right guy. I will be your guy to generate sales and help you to boost your business. I have placed the email address in the description. You can contact me and hire me, and we will schedule a meeting and we'll finalize where is the problem, and I will help you to boost your sales and your business. I hope I hope you subscribe my channel, and in future videos I will reveal more secret tricks and more strategies. So stay blessed, and till then, bye bye.